Ready for the top fall decorating tips of all time? Well, Sharon Riddick-Johnson, owner of the Stagecoach, will be serving them up. And as promised, we'll give you an inside look at how 11 ladies decorated their homes this season. And you can help one of them win a gift card just in time for Christmas. But you gotta wait till the end to cast your vote. Stay tuned. Hey, good people. Welcome to MommyRoomREDO. This is a show to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, we're sharing exclusive MommyRoomREDO top tips from home designer Sharon Riddick-Johnson. She's the owner of the Stagecoach and says it's all in the details, y'all. She'll help you fall in love with your home as we showcase her advice through this video, while we feature 10 Fall Decor Divas along with their lovely homes. And guess what? You can vote for your favorite creator to help her win a gift card before Christmas. So, let's get started. While this decorator isn't afraid of using non-traditional colors or adding her own personal touch, April flipped her summer setup to a fall one by adding a few special items like these pumpkins, artwork, centerpieces, and slip covers. Since this designer was a child, she always enjoyed decorating. Her main decorating goal is to be creative and different. For more of April's designs, check her out on Facebook. There's no place like home, especially if you've clicked your heels and are seated at Tabitha's dinner table. Doesn't it remind you of the table your mom used to make? It's cozy, classic, and a combo that celebrates fall, Halloween, and Thanksgiving with pieces from Kmart, Pier 1, and Michael's. Tab says she simply has a passion for decorating for fall and Christmas. To complete her vision, she lights this candle in the background. This year, black and white buffalo check is all the rage, and Ayana uses it here to showcase various items in her tablescape. To complete her idea, this decorator primarily shops at Burlington Coat Factory, Ross, and Home Goods. If she can't find the decor she's looking for, she creates it. And here are the results. This decorator's inspiration for this fall project was her grandson. According to Christine, her grandson loves to watch the fall leaves change colors. And this season also reminds her to be grateful, even for the little things. Notice Christine's special touches like the matching flowers and curtains, as well as the pumpkin topiary and the placemats. Hey sis! We know you've been watching MommyRoomREDO content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. Shonda always wanted to decorate for fall, but it wasn't until 2021 that she took the plunge. The pops of orange here and there really came together. Most new items that she purchased came from Amazon, Hobby Lobby, and Ross. She covered her existing throw pillows to make them pop and complete her redo. Does anyone think white when you're decorating for fall? Absolutely. Mahalia picked this basic color so she could quickly flip her fall decor into a winter wonderland. Almost all of Mahalia's decorations came from Amazon.com and Hobby Lobby. To complete her vision, she added flowers from the Dollar Tree. Do you want to be featured in an upcoming Mommy Room Redo video? Well, send your kid-friendly Christmas tree videos and pics to mommyroomredo@gmail.com. For some, decorating for fall brings back fond childhood memories. Take Layla. This time of year reminds her of Mom and how she loved to thrift and decorate their home while Layla was growing up. To continue this tradition, this decorator shops for decor in thrift stores, flea markets, and the Dollar Tree in Canton, Texas. Notice Layla's owl theme throughout. Would you be seen in green this season? Well, you absolutely would if you were in Peggy Bean's home. A teal green colored pumpkin spurred this decorator's fall decor theme. It was a gift from her daughter. Peggy purchased 95% of her supplies from the Dollar Tree and got the rest from Walgreens and Michaels. Yvette's love of decorating and styling was inspired at a young age. Her mom was one for exceptional home decor and fashion, and she strutted about in furs and high heels. Those memories inspired Yvette to take pride in her appearance and home, with the goal of creating a budget-friendly, high-end look. She makes that happen by shopping at Amazon, Home Goods, Marshalls, Burlington Coat Factory, Ross, Walmart, and TJ Maxx. For more of her designs, check out her YouTube channel, Shining on a Dime. If you're a fan of Mommy Room Redo, then you've seen Bridget's creative holiday decor before. Last year, we showcased her DIY spiral holiday tree, and this Baton Rouge, Louisiana resident shines again with her beautiful mantle fall decor. Pieces are festive yet interesting as they draw you in. Also, love the fall-inspired fireplace gate. Very unique. She's a military wife, Army vet, mama of two, grandma of two, and she loves decorating. Rosalind's outside fall decor shows that less is more. Items are thoughtfully placed to add interest and enjoyment. See the pumpkins as the centerpieces, that nice pumpkin sign up there, the carefully placed pillows. Just makes you want to have a seat. And here's the sitting area. Nice. Rosalind also has a YouTube channel called Cooking Pretty. Please tune in when Mommy Room Redo and Cooking Pretty do some special cooking episodes over the Christmas holiday. So if you want some decorating advice for your home, contact Sharon Riddick-Johnson directly.
vote. In order to cast this vote, you have to like, subscribe, and then you can comment your favorite creator down below.
And while you're down in the comments, tell us what video would you like to see next. And it's getting ready to be Black Friday, y'all. Do y'all want to shop with me? Do you want me to tell you the best steals and deals? Let me know.
Thanks for tuning in. And please like,
Share,
subscribe,
hit that notification bell
so you don't miss a video. Take care.